produced a long and inimitable discography. Just don't call them quirky. Well, I think that they're lazy I think there are more nuances to what they do. Even at the very beginning, we were playing with bands in Los Angeles before we moved to Britain that were sincere in the wrong kind of way, we felt, very revelatory of their personal ideas, through the music, and we thought you don't have to be that direct, and having it calculated, you're running the risk of people thinking that it's but we always there's a subtext to the lyrics where it isn't just Stephen Smith with Sparks, 14 years on. They haven't changed very much, have they? That's it for tonight. We leave you with this key marketing question. If you saw a self-driving car on your street, would you run away screaming in